Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone for better images. Clean the lens gently with a microfiber cloth and remove any obstructing case. Next, open the camera settings and set the highest resolution photo mode and enable RAW capture if your phone supports it. This preserves detail for editing. Once done, disable digital zoom and stick to 1x or optical zoom to avoid interpolation. These initial steps increase base image quality, so subsequent techniques have more data to work with. Now you refine how the camera captures light and detail. Tap to set focus and then lock exposure so the phone stops hunting during the shot. Use the exposure slider to prevent blown highlights. If your camera has a pro or manual mode, set ISO low to reduce noise, lengthen shutter speed as needed for light, and manually lock white balance for consistent colors. Make sure to stabilize the phone with a tripod or a solid surface, and use a timer or remote shutter to eliminate shake. This improves sharpness. Finish by processing the image to extract maximum quality. Import RAW or the highest resolution JPEG into an editor like Lightroom or Snapseed, then adjust exposure, contrast, clarity, and apply judicious noise reduction. Use selective sharpening and correct chromatic aberration, then export at 80 to 90% to keep detail. If results are still grainy or blurry, troubleshoot. Reclean the lens, restart or reset the camera app, and test with a different camera app to rule out software issues. This helps you identify hardware versus software problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.